السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما. Hello everyone, this is Liquidity Club by Ahmed Chawi. Today is Sunday, the 10th of August 2025. I'll be doing the weekly market review. Starting with DXY, we're viewing the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, price has been trading down lower recently. We're in a sell program. If you check the weekly time frame chart, we've been in a sell program since the beginning of 2025. We've been trading and pushing price down lower. We've taken out the sell side liquidity. You see this, we have a high, low, higher high, and then lower low. This is a bearish breaker right there. So price has retraced here and we traded down lower. From here, price has tried to retrace into that favorite gap, the weekly favorite gap, but it failed and we've created this premium wick right there. So if price wants to trade up higher, I'm expecting some kind of resistance at the constant encroachment of that premium wick that can push price down lower toward the sell side liquidity. Going to the daily time frame chart, as you can see here, we have swept this buy side liquidity and these buy side liquidity here, and we started selling down lower. We have this inversion favorite gap, so price might retrace back to it, grab some orders and engineer some liquidity, and then sell down lower towards the sell side liquidity. By the way, we have CPI next week, so you have to be careful when trading because it might catch you off guard and you might blow your account. So that's gonna be pretty much it for DXY. Going to Euro USD, also known as the fiber. Here I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. Since we've talked about DXY, that I want to see DXY trading down lower. I want to see the opposite for Euro USD. I want to see price trade up higher towards the buy side liquidity. As you can see, we trade down lower. We took out a low right there, and then we have retraced from there, and we closed right there. Last week we traded pretty much inside the range. So going to next week, we have this range. As you can see, we have an inside candle. I want to see price take at least one of the sides of this candle and then push up higher. So I would want to see price trade down lower, take out the low of that candle, and then trade up higher towards the buy side liquidity. Going to the daily time frame chart, trade down towards this low, take out this low and reach potentially to this inversion favorite gap, and then from here jump up higher towards the buy side liquidity. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm expecting. So that's gonna be pretty much it for Euro USD, or also known as the fiber. Going to Pound USD, also known as the cable. Here I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, we have relative equal lows here, and price is trying to push up higher towards the buy side liquidity. Now, if price really wants to take out the sell side liquidity, it would have done so with this candle. Going to the daily time frame chart, you can see that we closed above this favorite gap right there. We might retrace towards it as means of an inversion BD array that can push price up higher towards the buy side liquidity. So that's gonna be pretty much it for Pound USD, or also known as the cable. Going to ES, here I'm viewing the continuous contract and I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, we have relative equal lows here. I want to see price trades towards these relative equal lows, and we have this favorite gap. That's what I'm looking for. Going to the daily time frame chart, the same thing. We see like we're kind of entering into this consolidation. Price is just consolidating here, but I would want to see price trade below these lows and reach to this favorite gap regardless. That's gonna be pretty much it for ES. Going to NQ, here I'm viewing the continuous contract and I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. The same thing is mentioned here for NQ. I want to see price trade down lower towards this favorite gap. This doesn't mean that I'm switching program and I want to see bearish prices. No, we're continuing this buy program, but I want to see some retracement into this favorite gap that can push price up higher towards the buy side liquidity. That's how I'm looking at it. So going to the daily time frame chart, same thing here. We can see we have this sell side liquidity right there, sell side liquidity right there as well. Price trade down lower, take out all of the sell side liquidity, reach towards this favorite gap, rebalance this favorite gap, and then run up higher towards the buy side liquidity. So that's gonna be pretty much it for NQ. Going to gold. So regarding gold, it's a bit tricky because we're in a consolidation. We have a sell side liquidity here and we have a buy side liquidity here. We traded down lower last 2 weeks, and we took out these two sell side liquidities. and we started trying to run up higher towards the buy side liquidity. If we do take out the buy side liquidity, I'm expecting price to trade down lower and take out the sell side liquidity that's resting below these lows here. So I believe that's gonna be pretty much it for this weekly review. I really hope you found this one insightful. Until I talk to you next time, be safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.